Right now, it's time to work for these people. That is why, as a governor, I have fought 500 million so that we do the industrial park. And you'll see our farmers make the best through value addition. We are building a miller at Kedawa. We have negotiated at Londiani Junction with the private owner of the farm. And we're almost coming to an agreement so that we buy the land and then we build a market there and move people out of the roadsides so that we protect this and be able to forestall such happenings in the future. So this is the work of government. The work of government is not to incite people. The work of government is not to take populism out of cheap politics.